Om. 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 Arul Perum Jodi.
Arul Perum Jyoti.
Arul Perum Jodi.
Arul Perum Jyoti.
Tani Perum Karunai.
Tani Perum Karunai.
Arul Perum Jodi.
Arul Perum Jyoti.
Perumbam.
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 You now doing time, you do meditation finished, you see my eyes? See my eyes? Close. Om. 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 You understand, Amma? Now I see after meditation do 21 minutes, you how feel? You clean, you ask, my coronavirus cleaning, ayah cleaning, ya Paramatma. You ask her. No need to ask. You no need to ask. You are virus. So he crush you. He crush when you do meditation. He keep coronary clang, arteria clang, pancreas clang, thyroid, pineal BTS complete. So you no need to ask anything. He will do you every job. But your mind, whatever inside your mind, he read it you. So what you want, he give you. So now I do meditation, Paramatma come. So I come, Paramatma, he catch me, my soul come back here. If you do misuse, he can read, you know. So messenger, he read him, Paramatma read, no, he, what you doing, the messenger doing wrong, he is inside control, I cannot do anything separate. That way the yogi all, they take the coronary clang, everything take. They using for medicine people give, but they using to not live with Paramatma. So you understand, do meditation, no any, only Paramatma is the Guru. Who's the Guru? So when I open this color, who will doing the job? Each person, now you are Malaysia also they doing, so Kailasa Shivan temple they doing now meditation. Even America, India, everywhere now doing meditation time. So now do it the meditation, do it now your all people, now do it. Why all world will do it, what happened? You tell me what happened? No virus come. So what now we want to do the world? They have to start, actually they have to clean, 3 breathing exercise, you can watch, then do meditation, this is not religion. Virus is the religion? Good virus religion. Hindu people, Muslim people, any white people, America, China, no, there is a virus going everywhere. So you need virus for medicine. You must think, suppose you want to clear. So people never clear, they never come. I want to meet your Prime Minister. I got to meet and finish. I tell this one you have to do. So India, Modi and this, what is Shiva? Okay, do this. Why? You are Indian. All spiritual people do surrender one leg. One leg. One padam. You see, when do meditation clean, first your light come, first you start light period line, cleaning first your padam, you know, first clean start air. After come to air, you know, you are cleaning air, you know, all come. You are also shoulder, air, until air he come. After you are come, leg also clean, stop. Next light come, you understand, next come like at the left side, right, light come. What you doing? Cleaning your head. Cleaning your, this one, what is this? High and far, everything you get after stop. You know, spine, spine, what problem your, all you play as also. After that, this light come air, this side come. So 4 light come. This side come, what you doing? This one finish, earth and birth. 4 is a complete come. Air doing, after come, air start. The east and west is the complete. So all complete this chakra, Sakaskara chakra, complete coming from air. After Sakaskara complete come, this right side coming. The right side complete what comes? Your Anma is a complete cleaning and your chest cleaning. After come what you clean? Your belly button. Oxygen, zero coming. Then your stomach all cleaning. After spite and fight, complete clean and come to light, then is a Paramatma. He give you Konade gland, Atria gland, all water come here. The medicine come. So now you did meditation. You understand? This is the meaning. People don't understand. So inside you will active your light. Sun and moon is a complete. When do meditation? A right, left, sun, right, moon, complete. So this one, third test. So everywhere you can do meditation, this meditation, you know. I turn here, okay, you will turn, no turn. You will correct, you will come working same side. You will work here. My third test come here. Oh, here come. So from cosmic power. That is, every world do air America, air London, air New Zealand, air Australia, air America, in Malaysia, India, all country rounding, earth rounding. Correct? So earth rounding, when I teach chakra, you see rounding your chakra. Correct? Amma, you see chakra open today, he coming rounding. So all chakra rounding. After last part come light, so he stays like, so earth cosmic power rounding, cosmic is rounding, Bhulogam, Porlogam, Sarkologam, Magalogam, Janalogam, Tavalogam. Meditation. So with an Adavalogan, this one. Adavalogan meaning there's a Paramatma head. He will clean. After he'll give you medicine, you know. You want to go get the Paramatma, Satya Markam. Om Asatoma Samakam, Satya Markam. What Satya Markam? First Juham, I with me in the world. My hand in the world, people, all animal, all now with the people know my cross. Correct? If you cross, I give medicine. So you have to surrender your, after the complete finish, if this side finish, then he said light air. So you all 5 head. No 5 head you have. See me my 5 head. This is my knowledge. 5 senses I talking, I'm mental. You are 6 senses people. So I talk sometimes he's mental man. So I am no mental. 10 senses I am correct talking. Paramatma he will correct their cosmic power. No misuse. Any mistake he never make. Sun every day 24 hours. Correct time comes sun. Correct time going moving. Correct way earth going. Everything correct time coming. You who he mistake? Asking Rimala. So they are asked. He never mistake. He comes sun. What happened? First in the animal all laughing and kissing everything. You can never kiss now coronavirus. So problem you. All Kuruvi come and playing. You also 2 meters far away standing in the vacancy. Huh? What happened? Tomorrow virus rumors 11 people today. Okay, tomorrow 24 hours. Tomorrow open my school. Open this one. That one open. Already virus already. Oh, tomorrow working, we are also open, school open, this is open, hospital closer, this one closer. So everybody tension, problem now. This is also virus, you know. Big virus. Your house got talking every day. Oh, yeah, today 11 people, this people virus, this will virus. So that day your, virus here come. What I say you? First person come here, one after second virus come, where is come? What place, this place? Cilia Park virus. Cilia Park virus come, they cleaning Cilia Park. Cleaning. But never catch the people clean. Do and clean inside no inside the virus. Mental people are you cleaning for earth what? God evil morning sun air come, all 30 virus taking, correct? Morning sun come, you make evil cleaning, correct? Every minute cleaning for sun. Every minute Paramatma cleaning earth. Everything cleaning. But you clean your soul and your cell, your blood. O group, B group, N group, all blood. Now coronavirus group. No group? There's a no group blood. That is last part, you need pranam. This pranam meaning pancha pranam. Pancha pranam meaning, you understand pranam meaning? Anma, last part, how to finish? Pranam complete. Your anma last coming. Then pranam complete, then Balabatin, Vishnu Bhava. Where's the Vishnu Bhava? Vishnu, Brahma, Shiva, one. Correct? You understand? One, Avadaram one. So meaning is Avadaram one. Vishnu Brahma meaning, I am no Vishnu. Working, I am a Lakshmi there. I am sure, I am big. I am Lakshmi. I have my country, this is my world. I am big, I am rich man, Messenger, I am big. What big? All my place. Your shopping center, all my. What you want? Out! You shakkala, Prime Minister, all big, what big? I am messenger come, message I give. Now what do you want? Now rich people, you can know by medicine, coronavirus die, premises die, everybody die, queen die, everybody. New cell come, how to clean, correct? So, new cell come, when I food eat, today why I talking? I eat only banana and mango. So I saw today, I saw mom mango eat. The mango inside, Jnanamo. So Vinayak give mango. I eat it today, mango. Mom, you know mango? So I eat it and come. So this maybe virus inside mango. Maybe Jnanama. No mango inside wisdom. So Paramatma inside, say the Ganesha take Puram full medicine. You don't why never take your full medicine? Ganesha meaning Konadi clang. In the Konadi clang, is a complete, you need Shakti and Jodi. You need full light, 5 light, no 5 head. You see the Rama 10 senses, Silona 10 senses is Ravanan, what do you do it? He take the 7 shot too, 7 property take, he make mistake, then finish. Correct? So the spiritual leader making handle continue mistake. Tell also never listening in Sandrakurukal. They are in Malaysia. In Sandrakurukal come from Malaysia. Making Vinayak temple. Do put meditation this one. Never put this one, I will close you. First you have to repair. First court which one? Vinayak, correct? You going Vinayak, working? Problem Allah, this Paramatma angry, my Shiva angry, you know, my baby you making, you have to put this, you know, you put it, finish now, many people know virus, my people, you know. Then they will show this, oh, these people know virus. Even Sanantara Sabha, you fit it, no afraid, you know now. Open 2 meditation Sanantara Sabha, how many people come? All Sabha, different group. What group? Which Paramatma group or which group? Which one? Anjanya group? It's Kamani Anjanya. 1 or 3. Sri Lanka come Anjanya 1. I don't know many Anjanya group here. Problem I This is a big problem I ask, correct? Kamani group. How to join? I cannot join. So this wisdom, Puram Jnanam, Konadi clang, I cannot miss. I can miss. Arterial gland, 1 medicine. I can over same medicine. Pancreas gland, same medicine. Thyroid gland, same. Thyroids, problem in New Zealand, thyroids. Before coronavirus, thyroid problem, asthma problem. So whole world also problem. You now only so already your soul never stay. Your body no cat. I cannot stay. You are inside my soul is outing. So out. From air go up. From air. He come back again. Soul, he'll come back again. So now what can do? I am messenger come. Message. How do I give you message? Your soul I cleaning. Your body I cleaning. Doctor I cleaning your body and cell, your mind. Then you happy man in the house. Sonita, you happy man in the house. After meditation, you happy Allah. Anybody, your house fight, you are also, you fight also you. Before you know happy, you know. You never come meditation. Your house problem, you know. After do meditation. See? Now good? Your faith very lovely, very nice. Very good face. Face is the T-S-O-S. You know T-S? Huh? OS. So OS meaning is a very good, also doing misuse Allah. Also. There's also meaning OS. Now you're also Allah. Osos meaning come osos T-S. So T-S meaning is the medicine, complete light. Very beautiful. So I talk only, but I talk not enough. You have to do meditation. You have to till silent. So if I never talk, is problem. That was I talk. This time you surrender, I will hit. I never do anything. Mental, are you doing anything? No, you keep every day sun again coming, again cleaning, and moon coming, again going, every ice coming, tsunami come, water come, everything. I never damage, never stop. You problem man. You are man, knowledge, you problem. World he will come back. World he will never damage. My property, anything no damage. Your man body only damaging. Your soul again come back. Satya Yuva. This is a Juha. Kali Yuga, Kali, he knows the Yuga. So he soul, come back Yuga, we are soul, good meditation, no, come back only 120 years after Satya, Kalki you come in. When you want to come your soul, you tell me. After you go, you come back, immediately you come back, problem, virus too much here. You want to come back or you want to go one shot, stay, then after hell you want to come. Ask question. Which one you want? Now you want again early you want to come or you want to go sit down like say me like that. I sit down very before this. I am very happy. My soul go, why I bring it me? So my soul now also I am very happy, I join Paramatma. So again he will come. Old messenger, he will come again. So old messenger, he come one message. So what do you want you? All looking at you, the Guru, tell what you want. When do you want to come back? Hell here.
Yeah.
Huh?
Maybe we come back, we all one family.
No, maybe come back, put every place. One
Only
family.
husband, wife, kids.
No. They'll allow you, my husband go other highway. No, allow you to meet. So that is all. This is a problem. People don't. So you want to come. I want you. You are from New Zealand now?
Yeah.
Okay, Malaysia doing meditation. You want to go Malaysia, they come to Era. Which one you like? I want New Zealand Allah. It's your motherland. Correct?
Yeah.
Your motherland? Kumarikandam, this is my land. His land. One country. Kumarikandam, we were one. Australia, one. South Africa, one. Everyone. So all go every country. Correct?
Yeah.
So you don't worry. You are very lucky people. Paramatma crush you. What crush? Wisdom. Jnanam give. Correct? Okay, you understand now. But I talk, you don't understand. You do meditation. You feel after you will feel with God. I am filled with Paramatma. Very happy. I talk a lot. So very happy. I need to say me like that. I am with family, I am jungle inside. No study. No anything. If I put jeans and denim, I call the United Nations. This man, no, God, he speak lie. This is why you put court type. Ase. You need, ase mean what, you like this one, that one. I don't like anything. I don't want anything. What do you want, Asu? I want Sunita, what do you want? My soul, what do you want? You tell me, what do you want? You tell me. My soul, you want to do meditation. Take the wisdom. Soul, I don't want it. No sickness, my people. My people, I don't want the sick. And the life, you married, you make baby and enjoy. You teach your children, teach meditation and do with me and your life rotation. So after this meditation in the world, you will come complete. This way, Paramatma keep Malaysia, New Zealand, I am here. So all very fast he can join. You understand? Very fast. If he down Sakuru and in the meditation group, India and Modi. Okay, I will surrender to no Hindi, this one, all Paramatma, all country, one. Okay, I keep India, one country. Okay, Mahatma Gandhi come again. Mahatma Gandhi say one country, what Mahatma be Paramahamsa edutharu. Paramahamsa keep Jnanam. Who keep Jnanam? He keep, everybody give me, somebody give me. This is a connection, correct? This one, anybody no connection, how can I come? One man be touch me. So he touch, Paramatma touching, Sakra, Vishnu Bhagavan touching, you don't want that. I ask question, you are New Zealand people all. Vishnu Bhagavan come, he touch your third touch. You want? You ask your PJ people. Hi. Now Paramatma come, Vishnu one avatar, Vishnu and Parama one, Sakra. This time he come, Paramatma come. This time you can no misuse. Vishnu never do, anybody no misuse. Parama never. Parama little misuse, he cut the cat. Come here up. Here. That dress is the Vishnu one, sleeping. No, let's see me. All coming. Earth is a Vishnu one sleeping. Correct? So meaning Shiva sleeping. Correct? Same. So the oxygen come from air. Turiya Kandam. from oxygen with Paramatma. So from the earth, where oxygen come? All oxygen nice. Earth come, flower come, rose flower come, everything come. You can make flower, you can make sun, you can make, no. So you understand. So very nice, you too. I saw you, I feel you. So Sunida already feel, I feel nice, very good. But until life, I will until life. Hey, don't worry, we'll go Malaysia, also same period. Oh, this mental man, all are very happy they come. I went to parliament. But I know in that the religion, bro, I returned. But I went this parliament. You think now, in the your prime minister, if you take this one, everybody do, how come New Zealand? How come New Zealand? New Zealand is a good country, virus control, with virus control. Do this one is a control country in New Zealand virus. Then Malaysia control country, Sri Lanka, India, America, London, everybody control Paramatma. So this girl, he will do it. Shakti is a earth. Earth is a Shakti. Earth is a Bhumi. Correct? So the Shakti lady. New Zealand person is Shakti. Shakti yo ille, Yodi ille. Where is the Jodi now? Ram. Prime Minister Ram. Again to tell, oh, you know what, stop virus. So two countries do meditation, then America and New Zealand do meditation, then go one country. Oh la la, so don't fight Prime Minister. All misusing, they're using. Now virus problem, we need to talk, understand, I finish it you, you need to tell Amedi and do, correct? Very happy, you know. How do I have a good world? How do I want to go open? So why he waiting? Why he waiting, you know? You don't want to suit me, anybody. That is, he tell, don't wait me, I will do job. That is, I never go. You understand? Now I go it out, they will catch, they will problem me, no. That is Paramatma, you sit down, I will do the job. So messenger, what you doing? Messenger teaching. Who come, I teach, finish. Now this is the syllabus I tell you. Malaysia teach, New Zealand teach. How many people you can teach, don't need to fight. So I never fight. I fight anybody, but I tell you only. I never fight Sandrukurgal, you know. Sandrukurgal, okay, do aya. Every day I go. This only I tell, what? This man go Vinayak temple, ask him. So this is Vinayak, my baby. Paramatma baby. Whose baby Vinayak? Paramatma. So my baby place, I want to go. So I want to teach my place. So my place never teach what is this. I teach Malaysia all temple, you know. All temple and school, walk, all you can see, all the Brahmana Panditji, same Sandar Kurkul, like that, open every Panditji, you can see YouTube. Okay, Guru, okay. After that, it's a problem. You can see, I open your Panditji also, all Panditji. Malaysia, Nisra already, I open already Panditji, you know. You don't know. Monisha come. Monisha, do it. Here with me, go. We have no food eat, you know. We don't understand. Sunita house, we go food eat. Sometimes no bongus. Very happy with Monisha. Otherwise, bongus, food, my house. Why we make everything. And stay also, no hall. Run, go after night. I come back 10 o'clock. My house. So far we go to every temple. Very hard I do it. But now I sit down here. Very happy, you know. Paramatma, no hard. I am very happy. Monisha also come do. Now Malaysia, Monisha doing again to the messenger. How many messenger I can make? He make Monisha now. Where is doing Monisha now? We are talking. He is there. Kailasha Shivan Goil. You know Kailasha? Where's the Kailasha? Cosmic power. This name Kailasha. That temple, they teaching my place there. Malaysia. I make big nice place there. Temple already make Paramatma. They open in Kailasha temple. We go, huh? We go. That place we go see, it's nice, huh? And go Bath Cave. Bath Cave go finish. I told yesterday. Bath Cave go up, down, sit, do meditation. Bath Cave I was meet many American, many Muslim. Everybody I cut the come, do I tell all. You can see YouTube. Perumbam.